and welcome back to a real life video. And yeah, so we're working on this. If you saw my last video, yeah, ow, what did you? Oh my gosh. Sorry guys for you that I just farted. Sorry. You gotta be kidding me. Oh crap. Let's put.
What? Did you say?
Okay.
Nick Coon, something.
Okay.
Green snake and a boy.
For me? You're the best friend ever. Okay, dude. Listen, that Puma is just Hector in a costume. What? Dude, there's something I gotta tell you. You see, yesterday, when I told you that I had an awesome personal life, I was lying. I don't. So I went up and paid everybody to make my life look awesome to you. Everybody! I had no idea. Game's over, Hector. You can take off the suit.
Oh my gosh. Fixed it. Whoa! See you later, guys. Goodbye.